Okay, so here is my proof of concept part 2. I have added timing along with some other quality of life things to the program. I probably won't go over it all, just kind of show what it does now. It still does everything that I showed in the last video, but now in my serial monitor, it shows my staging. It shows ready, set, go, which actually has a random number generator that can delay the set up to 3 seconds, between 0 and 3 seconds. So when I hit the button, it doesn't just go off right away. The racers will have to anticipate when it's going to be yellow, and then, you know, they'll have to react accordingly. So if they hear me click the button, they won't just be able to prepare. Now we have our winner, and that's 29.5 seconds. Just do your math in your head. Arduino doesn't do decimal points, so it doesn't work to divide it by 1000 to get seconds. You have to just do the math. So like 38.749 seconds on lane 2. Now I can also reset, which doesn't pop up and say anything for the reset. It just resets. So we stage up again. Now when I launch, ready, set, if somebody crosses the line first, it'll pop up and say red light. They can still technically show up as the winner when they cross the line, but since it red lights down here and it tells me red light in my serial monitor, I'll know that they jumped the gun and they're the loser and lane 2 is the winner. So I'll know who is DQ'd for that run. That is my update for the Christmas tree. Didn't take me long to get the code changed up and added, so I have that. I could add reaction time somehow. I think I might know how to do it, but honestly, it's the way I think it'll have to work is kind of tedious, and I don't even want to try. Even trying to have ChatGPT do it sounds like, oh, yeah, I just don't feel like it. But that's my update for the code for the night. And next will probably be building the big hardware for the actual Christmas tree.